Hello, I have an IComfort s30 thermostat that I installed last week. It was working fine till today when it said comm failure with smarthub. I double-checked all the connectors and tightened them again. Still no luck. Have tried rebooting the Tstat and the hub as well. No luck. The hub has solid blue and blinking magenta indicators.
Hi. Who makes your thermostat?
Lennox.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Since this morning, tried the wire connections and reboot.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Have given all the info I know of.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm sorry you are having this issue. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. However, at times it may take a little while for a response depending on workload. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile.
Hi, Mike. We can chat now. I am still awake and can work with you for a bit.
First thing to try on this is to pull it from the wall, and if it has batteries in the back, to pull them and try to reset the thermostat.
No batteries. It is powered by a 12-volt connection from a hub. Do you have experience with Lennox IComfort systems?
I do. Have you attempted to reset the hub or power cycle the unit at the breaker?
I have reset the hub a couple of times. Can you explain what power cycle at the breaker means?
The main breaker for the AC unit. This will be located in your home breaker panel. Please try shutting it off for 15 minutes, then back on.
Okay. We'll try that now and get back to you. I did shut off the whole house for about 1 minute earlier today. But no luck. I also checked the connectors on the hub and the Tstat with a multimeter. I see voltage at all the connectors.
Likely this is an issue with either the communication card in the thermostat or the hub that will need to be replaced.
I got this brand new off of eBay last week.
Not completely uncommon to purchase one that is bad right out of the box. I would return the unit for a replacement.
Is there a lot of money savings when using a communicating thermostat? I live in a townhome and there is just one zone.
It depends. Are you usually home or in and out a lot? If you are usually home, then no, not really. If you are in and out of your home, then yes, it can save you a bit. The return on investment is not really a big amount. It's more for having the ability to control the unit from your phone. That kind of thing.
I am home 100%.
Or if you are on a time-if-use electrical plan, you can set different complicate schedules and things to save a couple bucks here and there.
Also, a Nest would give me the same benefit, right?
Yeah, not really. Warn it then. Nest is the best thermostat on the market.
Okay. Do I need to go to a Lennox dealer for Nest conversion, or can it be done DIY? The circuit board on my furnace does have REW etc. connectors.
This is a pretty complicated system, so I would have a tech come and take care of it for you. Definitely not a standard thermostat swap.
I just powered the system back on and I still see comm failure message on the Tstat. Customer attachment June 16, 2021 5:12 and 44 seconds AM. What else would you like me to try?
So this is about as far as you can go with this. Highly likely a comm bore will need to be replaced. You said you purchased this on eBay. I would try to return for a refund. This is an internal communication error between two comfort devices. There is not much in the way of troubleshooting you can do here, unfortunately.
Okay. Thank you. We'll try to get a refund. Thanks, Mike.
I will leave this open in case you have any other issue. I highly recommend against purchasing electronics from eBay or Amazon, FYI. Many problems with them.
Okay. I had to try this since my earlier IComfort Wi-Fi thermostat just died and was out of Lennox warranty. The dealer was asking for $1,100 to replace it. I just reset the hub again and it's working now. Gone again.
Blow the hub out with compressed air.
It's brand new and spotless. We'll try to do that also, just in case.
Yep, just manufacturer defect then.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.